Robin lived in a cozy treehouse high up in the tallest oak tree. He was a young boy, but he had a heart full of courage. His father, Batman, taught him how to be brave and kind. One night, a soft whispering sound woke Robin up. He looked out his window and saw a little bird with a broken wing. Robin knew he had to help. "I'll fix your wing, little bird," Robin said gently. He grabbed a small bandage from his first aid kit and wrapped it around the bird's wing. "Thank you, Robin," the bird chirped gratefully. "I can't fly without you." Robin smiled. "You don't need to fly. You can hop and walk until your wing heals." The next day, Robin saw the bird again. It hopped toward him, a twig in its beak. "I made you a thank you gift," the bird said. Robin was touched. He accepted the twig and kept it as a reminder of the brave little bird. From that day on, Robin knew that being kind could help anyone, even a small bird. One night, Robin heard the soft whispering sound again. He looked out his window and saw the same little bird, but it wasn't alone. There were many birds with broken wings. Robin knew he couldn't help them all by himself, but he also knew he had to try. He ran to his father for help. Batman joined Robin, and together they saved the birds. "I'm so proud of you, Robin," Batman said. "You showed true courage tonight." Robin smiled. "I learned from the best, Dad." From that day on, Robin continued to help others. He learned that being brave and kind could make a big difference, no matter how small you were. And he always remembered the little bird that taught him that lesson.